Good morning to my YouTube viewer families. So today's first question is, recently when World Bicycle Day has been celebrated? Second, third, fourth or fifth? The correct answer is fourth. The theme is uniqueness, versatility and longevity of the bicycle as a simple, sustainable, economical and reliable mode of transportation. Question number 2. Which state government announced corona-free or COVID-free village competition? Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Maharashtra. Maharashtra state government announced COVID-free village competition in village areas to prevent the spread of coronavirus. Question number 3. Who selected as Deputy Chief of Indian Navy? Ravneet Singh, Ajay Bhadoria, Ramesh Singh, Rameshwar Pathak. The correct answer is Ravneet Singh. Went to the next question, question number 4. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Sri Anurag Singh Thakur has recently launched Hisab Ki Kitab, it a series of short film, essay, summits, virtual classes. The correct answer is short film. Union Minister of State for Finance and Corporate Affairs Sri Anurag Singh Thakur launched the 6 modules of short film of Investor Education and Protection Fund Authority titled Hisab Ki Kitab. Question number 5. Who recently won the Belgrade Open title 2021? Alex Molchan, Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer, Andy Murray. Correct answer is Novak Djokovic. World number 1 Novak Djokovic captured the 83rd title of his career on Sunday with victory on home soil at the Belgrade Open. Question number 6. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chief of Indian Air Force? Ramnath Chaudhary, Vivek Ram Chaudhary, Balava Ram Krishna, R.J. Duckworth. The correct answer is Vivek Ram Chaudhary. The Indian Air Force will be seen a number of changes at the top as Air Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary has been appointed as the next Chief of Air Staff in the Air Headquarters. Question number 7. Which of the following institution has recently hosted Asia's first International Memory Studies Workshop? Indian Institute of Technology, Cuttack, Indian Institute of Technology, Palakkad, Indian Institute of Technology, Madras, Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai. The correct answer is IIT Madras. India's Institute of Technology Madras Center for Memory Studies recently hosted virtual Asia's first International Memory Studies Workshop. Indian Network for Memory Studies INMS, the first national network in the field in Asia under the aegis of the International Memory Studies Association. International Memory Studies Association, Amsterdam. Question number 8. Recently, who has won the International Booker Prize 2021? Ruskin Bond, David Grossman, C. John Ronald, David Diop. The correct answer is David Diop. David Diop has become the first French novelist to win the International Booker Prize 2021 for translated fiction with At Night All Blood is Black, his first novel translated into English. Question number 9. World's first CO2 neutral cement plant will be open in Dash by 2030. Germany, Italy, Canada or Sweden? The correct answer is Sweden. Heidelberg Cement, the world's second largest cement maker, plans to turn its Swedish factory in Slite into the world's first CO2 neutral cement plant by 2030 via carbon capture technology. Question number 10. Vishwamitri River project recently received a National Green Tribune nod. Which city is located on the bank of river Vishwamitri River? Ahmedabad, Vadodara, Gandhinagar, Surat. The correct answer is Vadodara. The principal and Jerry Wind own the International Green Tribunal recently directed the Vadodara Municipal Corporation and other authorities to implement the Vishwamitri River Action Plan, including preparation for demarcation, plantation and maintaining the integrity of the river. Question number 11. Dash and Dash have recently won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021. Nitin Rakesh C.N. Rao, Jerry Wind C.N. Rao, Jerry Wind Nitin Rakesh Raghuram Ranjan. The correct answer is Jerry Wind Nitin Rakesh. Nitin Rakesh and Jerry Wind won the International Business Book of the Year Award 2021. The authors made history this week by winning the prestigious International Business Book of the Year Award for 2021 for their recently launched book, Transformation in Times of Crisis, published by Nation Press. Question number 12. Which of the following has devised an online tracking protocol Bal Swaraj COVID Care Link for children? NCPCR, NCW, DRDO, IIT Madras. The correct answer is NCPCR. In viewing of the growing problem related to children affected by COVID-19, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights has devised an online tracking protocol Bal Swaraj COVID Care Link for children in need of care and protection. Question number 13. Which bank becomes second Globaleto offer SWIFT GP Instant cross-border inward remittance facility? Federal Bank, RBL Bank, State Bank of India, ICICI Bank. The correct answer is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank on June 2nd announced that it has tied up with SWIFT to offer instant facilities for cross-border inward remittance. Question number 14. What is the theme of World Environmental Day 2021? Biodiversity, reimagine, recreate, restore, beat air pollution, beat plastic pollution. The correct answer is reimagine, recreate, restore. The theme of this year's World Environment Day is reimagine, restore and recreate, as its year marks the beginning of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Question number 15. World Environment Day is promoted by United Nations as is the global host for World Environmental Day 2021. China, Colombia, India, Pakistan. Pakistan is the correct answer. Pakistan is the global host for the day to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. Question number 16. International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unreported and Unregulated Fishing is organized every year on dash. 1st June, 2nd June, 3rd June, 5th June. The correct answer is 5th June. International Day for the Fight Against Illegal, Unrepeated and Unregulated Fishing is organized every year on 5th June. Number 17. Ministry of Panchayati Raj releases Model Panchayat Citizen Charter. Citizen Charter is a document that represents the commitment of the Panchayat towards standard quality and time frame of service delivery, grievance redressal mechanism, transparency and accountability. The MOPR has prepared the charter in collaboration with National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj. It provides a framework for delivery of the service across the 29 sectors, aligning action with Localizing Sustainable Development Goals SDFS. It is expected that the Panchayat will utilize this framework to draw up a citizen charter and adopt it through a resolution of the Gram Sabha by 15th August 2021. Number 18. Who is the chairman of ARC, Assessed Reconstruction Company? Ajit Mishra, Shyamla Gopinath, Sudarshan Sen, none of the above. The correct answer is Shyamla Gopinath. Number 19. What is the name of the cheap testing kit made by Reliance for COVID-19 recently? R Green Pro, R Green, R COVID, option A and C. The correct answer is R COVID. Today's last question, number 20. Which AI platform launched by WhatsApp to detect COVID in rural areas? X-Ray app, X-Ray AI, X-Ray Setu, X-Ray Save. The correct answer is X-Ray Setu. So, thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe as more as you can. Thank you so much for listening me too much. Thank you.